Hi everybody, we're going to be doing some Caribbean cooking today, and what we're going to be starting with is curry goat. Normally when you do your curry goat, it normally takes about 3 hours to cook from start to beginning, but today we're going to cook it in our amazing MP5, which will take about 1 hour and 25 minutes. It's a rice cooker. You can do a whole chicken in it, you can do the curry goat as you can see me doing it today, and you can also do your soups and anything that you do in any of the other Saladmaster pans, you can do it in this one. So I preheated it at 230, so I'm going to just put my goat in. It's being washed. I'm going to just show you how our Saladmaster is very quick. So I'm going to just prepare my garlic. So I'm doing my garlic on corn number 1. So can you see how amazing it is? So can you see? You can run your fingers through it. So this is my garlic. You can do the same with your carrots on corn number 4, and you can do the same on corn number 2 with your onions. You can see there's no water added. We've just put the meat straight in. Normally in our normal pans we have to season overnight, but with Saladmaster you don't have to do that. So I'm going to just add some spring onions, some onions and some garlic. Just add some curry powder and some all-purpose seasoning. Just going to put the lid on and turn it down to 180, because remember on Saladmaster we don't cook on high heat, and then just wait for the click. It's been about 10 minutes, so it started clicking, so we're going to turn it down to 155 and leave it to cook. Yeah, so it's just clicked, so we've added the carrots and the tomato puree, so I'm just waiting for another click and then it will be ready. Now the curry goat is cooking, so we're now going to do the rice and peas, and I'm using corn free for this, so you can see. Wow. So this saves you time and it saves you energy, and every kitchen should have one. So can you see? So you can run your fingers through there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be cooking rice and peas in our amazing 7 quarts, and this 7 quart you can do most things in it. You can do a whole chicken, you can do your soups, and as Caribbeans we always need our soup one, so this is really good. So normally when you do your peas, you normally have to soak them overnight or cook them, but in Saladmaster you don't have to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pour the lentils in. As you can see, I'm just going to pour the lentils in, then I'm going to put the rice in. I'm going to put the onion in. I'm going to put some spring onions in, all-purpose seasoning and some water, and that's all we have to do. So I'm going to just add some hot water, seasoning, just a little because we don't use salt. Either way, you can use any peas that you want. You don't have to use lentils. You can use kidney beans. You can use any bean, and then lid on. So we put it on medium heat, which in this case is 5, and you can also add coconut milk to it as well to give it some flavour. So now we're going to do our plantain and our sweet potato, and we're going to use the 3 quart to de-starch the sweet potato. So without the basket in, you can use it for your small soups. You can do your vegetables, you can do your chicken, you can cook anything in it. So it has 2 functions. So we're just going to put the plantain in. The plantain's got the skin in. We're going to just put the sweet potato, as you can see. Lid on, and when it's ready, it will click. Our rice is now cooked, so can you see the peas are cooked, so there'll be no overnight soaking. Wow. Only in Saladmaster. Let's go over to our sweet potato and our plantain. Look at that, look at the colour in the sweet potato and in the plantain. So this is our curry goat now, so can you see? Your carrots and your meat. Voila, isn't that nice? So there we have it. Curry goat rice and plantain and sweet potato. Oh la la!